guys, my name's Daniel Boisvert. I'm the Director of Instruction at Core Golf in Natick, Massachusetts. Make sure to come out and hit some balls and dial your game in. All right guys, first thing we're going to talk about today is grip. How you grip the golf club is one of the most important things with any golf swing because it dictates how you control your club face throughout your rotation. What I see very common with most golfers is a left hand that's too far on the outside and then a right hand that wants to follow. This pattern is going to leave you to having an open club face, which is going to tend to get you to cut across the ball more. This is a grip that's very common for a slicer. Someone who typically hits the ball more right than anything, that's a very common grip that you'd see for them. Now, someone who hits more of a hook, typically you're going to see this left hand gets on top of the club more, which means this right hand is going to want to fall more underneath. The more underneath this right hand is, the more room you have to rotate and shut the club face. This would be a product of someone who hits more of a hook. And what changes is where this left hand is how this arm actually wants to rotate. So the more that this left hand gets on top of the club, the more this shoulder will start to internally rotate, which again will cause someone to shut the face typically more in their swing. What I typically like to see my students doing is gripping the golf club a little bit more in the fingers in the left hand. And from your perspective, at address, you should be able to see one, if not two knuckles on the left hand for a right-handed golfer. Once that hand is in place, the right hand will fall in line. And what I'm typically looking for is the creases on the two hands are parallel to one another and pointing between the right collarbone and the right shoulder. This is a relatively neutral grip.